And yes, we started like 3 years ago with like the concept, the idea, and the first thing that we did was to make sure that like it would be compliant from a regulatory perspective, because it doesn't make any sense to start building something if it's not going to be compliant. So let's make sure that everything will be compliant and working with the regulation.
Yeah.
And then that there is also a real need. So we also verified like with like some surveys and interviews, like to make sure that there is like it was not only me, but a lot of people around that has like the same, I would say, issues. And yes. And then after that, we started like building the solution. First, like a beta version that was a simulation tool to be able to showcase that and build our team with like some advisors for our board, and then to find some capital, raising funds. And so that's like what we were able to achieve like at the beginning of this year, to raise like the first like round of like funding.
Congratulations.
And now we are like we increased like the size of the team, and we started like the integration with like a backend service solution that is going to provide for us like the holding of the accounts, the custody of the accounts, and also all the trading that is happening. So we didn't want to reinvent the wheel, so we are using a third-party partner that is helping us with this aspect. And by the way, this is like the third-party partner that has been doing exactly the same thing for like all the big fintech that are out there. So Ally, Wallstreet, Betterman, Tash, Robinhood, everyone is using Apex and we are doing the same thing.
Wow.
And I think that as they love like also our concept, when we started working with them, they also decided to be part of the investing round, and so they invested also in our company, which is great.